Here are a few potential solutions you can try if you're experiencing the download pending error on the Google Play Store. There is a solution. Check your internet connection. A stable and strong internet connection is necessary for downloads from the Play Store. Make sure you've enabled data downloads too. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Hit Settings. Expand the Network Preferences section. Go into App Download Preference. Make sure the Over Any Network option is turned on. If you are still experiencing the download pending error, then you guys definitely try. Clear the Play Store app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve issues with the app. To do this, go to your device's settings, apps, Google Play Store, storage, clear cache. Hope this will fix the issue. I hope this solution works for you. Please do like and subscribe to this channel and let me know if you have any questions.